Good evening, ChefGPT. We have our first fan ingredient submission. Please come up with a unique recipe using these 5 ingredients: lamb, gelatin, egg noodles, Brussels sprouts, and eggs. Let's try this recipe. Brussels sprouts, egg noodles, ground lamb, large eggs, gelatin powder. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the egg noodles and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. In a large oven-safe skillet over medium heat, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the ground lamb. Breaking it up with a spatula. Cook until browned and cooked through, about 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the lamb from the skillet and add the Brussels sprouts and cook. Stirring occasionally for about 5 to 7 minutes. In a large bowl, add 6 large eggs. Quarter cup milk. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/2 teaspoon dried rosemary. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Whisk together. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Review time.
This is not very good. I wouldn't order this, and I definitely wouldn't make it again.
So yes, it has taste, and it reminds me of broccoli, and that's my favorite vegetable I ever had. But this, I don't really like it.
I don't blame you. It's not that good.
Yeah, I wouldn't order this in a restaurant either.
ChefGPT failed us, huh?
ChefGPT failed this time. Hopefully next one will be better. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Like, comment below, what 5 ingredients would you like to see next? Subscribe and share.